ये चलते हैं दिग्गज कंपनी आईटीसी की इस वक्त एजीएम चल रही है और उसकी झलकी आपको दिखाते हैं.
Also ignite new opportunities to shape a stronger, secure, resilient, and a promising tomorrow. In such a turbulent world, India has emerged as an inspiring lighthouse of growth. The standout performance as the world's fastest growing major economy with a consistent 7% plus GDP growth rate over the last few years has not only evoked global respect but also points to its future promise. Experts predict that India is likely to contribute 18% to the world's GDP growth in next 5 years and could even touch 30% between 2035 and 2040. Undoubtedly, India's economic transformation is testimony to the government's far-sighted policies and astute economic management. Sustained public expenditure in physical, digital, agri, and rural infrastructure, combined with sharp execution, is fueling a virtuous cycle of consumption, investments, and employment. The rise of aspirational India will also spur consumption-led growth. Estimates suggest that the country's consumer market will more than double to over $5.2 trillion by 2031. Analysts project that India's per capita GDP is likely to touch the inflection point of $4,000 by 2030, fueling larger domestic consumption and driving higher growth. This is truly India's moment in history. Mega opportunities are today emerging from the diversification in global supply chain, the all-pervasive digital revolution, and the urgent need for a green transition. The synergy of India's large market, favorable demographics, rising disposable incomes, technological prowess, and vibrant entrepreneurship will continue to power growth in the foreseeable future. While purposeful policies can accelerate the pursuit of these unbounded opportunities, we deeply believe that enterprises rooted in India as economic organs of society can play a vital role in partnering the nation in the promising journey ahead. To my mind, exemplary enterprises contribute to nation building by not only making uncompromising efforts to be globally competitive, but also by embedding larger societal value creation at the core of corporate strategy. Stakeholder value through purposeful performance is indeed the bedrock on which progressive enterprise will be built in the future. A nation's competitiveness gets enhanced when world-class national brands are assiduously built to retain larger value in the country while serving domestic and global markets. Further, investments in the state-of-the-art assets across all economic sectors, cutting-edge R&D, and social infrastructure build competitive capacity for nations. Business models that integrate the creation of environmental capital and large-scale sustainable livelihoods enrich a nation's resources and the social fabric, contributing to a more secure and resilient future. Focused action to shape brands with purpose, promote diversity and inclusion, and build capabilities of local communities strengthen society in more ways than one. Today, I'd like to highlight a few priorities in the context of your company's businesses, which we believe will be crucial in shaping the next horizon of socio-economic progress.
तो आप सुन रहे थे आईटीसी की एजीएम में तमाम बातों को, जहां पर सिगरेट कारोबार में 13.5% की बढ़ोतरी का जिक्र किया गया. एग्री सेगमेंट पर आने वाली रणनीति में जो है वो फोकस किया जाएगा और इसके साथ ही होटल सेगमेंट की भी ग्रोथ के बारे में रोशनी डाली गई. चलिए